I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the Google Play Store app, sign in with the account you use. Once signed in, tap your profile avatar in the top right corner to open account options. Make sure your Google Play country and payment profile match where you live because Play points availability and rewards vary by region. This first step gets you to the menu where Play points lives. It also prevents surprises later when you try to earn or redeem points. Now find the Play points area in that account menu. Tap the Play points or Play points and rewards entry. If you don't see it immediately, go into Payments and Subscriptions and then select Play points. Once there, you'll see your current tier, points balance, and active promotions. This explains how many points you get per dollar and which purchases qualify. Understanding the tier and promotions helps you decide whether to buy apps, in-app items, or subscriptions to maximize. Finish by learning how to earn and redeem Play points. You earn points for qualifying purchases like apps, games, in-app items, and some subscriptions. Promotions may boost points temporarily. Once you have points, redeem them from the Play points page for Google Play credit, in-app items, or discounts. If points don't appear after a purchase, verify the purchase receipt. Confirm you use the same Google account and country settings. Wait 24-48 hours, and then contact Play support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.